Today, Luke and I are back in my old stomping grounds of Satsuma, Alabama. We've come out to Steele Creek Marina, where they've done a lot of upgrades and put in a new nature walk, and we're about to give that a try. Come on, let's head to the Delta. I'm your host, Stu Donald. Let's head to the Delta. Luke and I are starting out right here at the marina, and I want to show you some improvements they've made across here. They have extended the piering along that bank over there by those picnic tables. That's pretty nice. Make fishing over there a little easier. And all this walkway and area here, last time we were down here, was starting to show some wear and tear. So looks like they have invested in some new lumber out here. Now, these used to have picnic tables on them, and they may be replacing them at some point. But at least they redid the wood on them. Get down here up in Steele Creek proper, I want to show you something. Oh, Bubba. See those apartments out there? That'd be a nice place to live. A couple years ago, those didn't even exist. Alright, well, this is that new nature trail, and Luke and I are going to try it out. See, right there is Biosera, where it and Steele Creek come together. Or actually, I'm sorry, it's where Gunnison Creek and Steele Creek come together, I believe, to form or enter Biosera. They have cut this into what was pretty much just a virgin stand of forest right here at the park. Come on, Luke, let's step out here. Come on, buddy. Yeah, so now you can see Gunnison up that way, Biosera, and then this is Steele Creek. And I believe that over there is just like a man-made slip that probably went to somebody's property or possibly a business that used to be here. Love spring on the Delta. Come on, Luke, let's go, buddy. Come on, pal, let's go. What you see down there, buddy? What you see? That's what he's looking at. Look at these beautiful wildflowers here. Just gorgeous. And as always, a little talk about invasive species. All right, buddy. Come on, let's go. They have made some really impressive improvements here on this dock, like this little step area that looks like it leads to a swimming area, if you will. And so many boat slips. Launch a kayak right there easily. The weather today at Steele Creek Marina has been absolutely spectacular. And I look out over this beautiful body of water and all the improvements they got going on here, and I can't help but think, maybe I should wet a line. We've had beautiful weather here for the last week. I mean, it's really full-blown spring right now, so these fish will be heading on the beds if they're not already on them. They're, at the very least, they're in a pre-spawn pattern. So let's see if we can't pull something out from under this dock. As I mentioned before, I used to have a little two-bedroom cottage here on Steele Creek, up on the shallower end, and I really only had 2 good weeks of fishing each year, and it was during the spawn pattern. I'd pick up bass and brim and the occasional crappie. I spotted about a foot-long largemouth up in here a little earlier. Let's hope I can find him again. What? Wow, what a beautiful crappie. Look at that slab. Just gorgeous. First fish of 2025, y'all. Not long after school let out, families started to come down to do a little fishing, and as you can see, this marina started getting quite busy. Old Luke and I decided we'd had enough adventure for today. We were going to go ahead and pack it up and head back for the house, but there's one last improvement we want to show you here at Steele Creek Marina. Now, I've been to a wedding or two out here before, but they were always held in the lodge, but now this beautiful, classic, pioneer-style chapel. What an improvement.
Click like and subscribe.